Chuck, get that card.
I got it!
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Can everybody please stop partying? There are eggs being stolen! Matilda, we need your help. The pigs are stealing our eggs! What? Unable! We have to get back to the village! Stop dancing and start running! Hors d'oeuvres, my weakness.